All right, so let's listen to a clip from my friend Brennan. Funny thing about Brennan is I was in a band with him in 2009, and there were two drummers. Brennan only played guitar and bass, but Brennan was the best drummer of the three of us. So Brennan, awesome drummer. This is him playing in a band called Othello, and I just love this part on the toms, the roll down the toms. I love the hi-hat work, so check this out. All right, so on the hats, a lot of good accents and taps are going on. It's like this. Right, you got to get those nice low taps and the accents. My hand technique course, my Better Hands course, will teach you how to do that. It takes a lot of practice, but I'll help you know what to practice to get to that point if you're having trouble. And don't fool yourself. Record yourself, and there's a good chance that the little drag on this, like the little double, so you have a little double followed by two accents. For a long time, for me, that was really weak. It needs to be strong. And when you listen to Brennan play it, it's even stronger. I mean, he really has control of his hi-hat. Right? So that's what's going on with the hi-hats. You put the kick on every quarter note. And now let's break down what's going on with the toms. So when he goes into the roll, I just love this roll. His snare's actually off. Hold up. So he's got kind of a... I think he had two floor toms that night. But even if you don't have two floor toms, you can just do it on one. So I'm just playing 5 strokes. Again, Better Hands course, if you're not able to play single strokes that fast, it's all about using your fulcrum, not trying to use your arm to play each stroke or use your wrist to play each stroke. It's wrist for sure, but you got to use your fingers. Better Hands course will help you with that. But they've got to be snappy strokes. You know, they can't be sloppy and lazy and not lined up. It's got to be all really tight. So let's put the metronome on, 125. See if we can get this to sound good. Right? That's the idea. Brennan, great drummer. He drums right now, I believe, still for Desert Noises, so check them out. Thanks for checking this out. I hope you have a great week. Keep looking at other Tempo League stuff, and check out the Better Hands course, free trial over at tempoleague.com. Have a good one.